MetaMiner offers users the ability to analyze schedules and instances within their business objects deployments. In the next few moments, we're going to answer a few of those key questions that are very easy to answer through our solution. The first question, where are all the recurring instances in my BI deployment? So the first thing we're going to do is launch MetaMiner and connect to one of our servers. This particular server is connected to three environments, a BI 4.1, a BI 4.0, and an XI31 SP6 environment. You'll also notice that there are a few different audit databases to which each of these environments are connected. After clicking apply, you'll see that these environments have now loaded, and at this point I can go ahead and start browsing some of that instance data. We click on the instance filter group and then select recurring instances only. When we do that, you can see that we have one recurring instance in our MMTest 1260 environment, and this instance is actually being outputted to a PDF. Our next question, did any schedules fail in the last 10 days? Why? So going back to our interface, what we can now do is select our creation time, and we're going to select a date that's within our range of the last 10 days. So we'll look at the 22nd to the 29th. And now let's go ahead and click on failures. When we click on failures, you'll see that we do have one report that was scheduled on January the 22nd, and it failed. And looking at the tooltip, we can see that the error message is object could not be scheduled within the specified time interval. The next question is, what instances are taking up the most space across all my environments? In this scenario, what we can do is make use of the SQL Workbench, also known as MetaQuery, that's integrated within the MetaMiner client. So we can take our familiar looking SQL, go to MetaQuery, and then when we paste it within our window and click Run Query, you'll see that very easily we're able to extract that information from the raw tables or data that we capture within MetaMiner. And if I wanted to do an additional search on this instance data, I can type in a search term, and you'll notice here that anything matching DEST becomes filtered in our result set, and now I can see that we were doing a few destination tests, and that was the average duration in seconds that these schedules took.